Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Paris, if you didn't already know. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing 1 week of rice water rinses. Well, I'm filming this intro after, and I actually only did 3 days. So you might hear me mention in the video that I'm doing a week of it, but I only lasted 3 days. So 3 days of rice water rinses. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you would try rice water in your hair after seeing my experience. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe if you like my content. I post videos relating to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And I'm thinking about making a tutorial for this hairstyle and maybe other hairstyles. So if you like to see that, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow my other socials at paris.s, P-E-R-R-I-S, on Instagram and on TikTok. I hope you enjoy this video. Hey guys, so I'm editing right now and I forgot to mention that I made this video based off of another girl's YouTube video where she says all the instructions and what she does, so I was just trying to follow her, so I'll link her channel in the description box. I made my rice water already. I'm just here to show you my hair before. This is my hair before. How long it is. My hair went right here. So if you want to see what my hair looks like by the end of this week, watch the rest of this video. I'm also going to be vlogging every day, showing you guys what exactly I'm doing. I'll see you guys in the next clip after I take a shower. So bye guys. So excuse my makeup, my mascara from running. Just got out of the shower. Make sure that when you get out of the when you get in the shower, you wash and condition your hair. So that's what I did. The girl whose video I got this from said that she parts her hair in sections and then puts the rice water in her hair but focuses on the root and then put oil at the tips and put it in a protective hairstyle. My protective hairstyle is braids. I do braids like almost every night, so I'm just gonna do that. I do 16 braids on my head, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna part my hair down the middle. Put this side in a little bun up here. And then let me grab another hair tie, I forgot. And then I'm gonna divide this in 2 sections. So, like that. Now I'm gonna divide this in 2 sections. And wrap this around this bun. It's just like you're creating you're dividing your hair into 4 sections, and then of those 4 sections, you're dividing those into 4 sections. So that's what I'm doing. Now I have my rice water in this little water bottle thing. You can see the rice. The girl in her video didn't give exact measurements, so I did my own from what I saw from hers. But in my water bottle, I just filled it up to the 8 ounces. So I guess 8 ounces, and then the rest of this, I'd say about 30 ounces of water and 8 ounces of rice is what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna transfer the rice water to this spray bottle. This smells so bad. Like, it smells like throw up. Like, you never know when they're like, oh my god, it smells so bad. In the videos, you're like, oh, whatever. But it smells so bad. My god. Okay, so it really didn't. I have this much left out of this. Filled this up. This is probably gonna last me about 2-3 days, so I'm just gonna dump this out and then fill it back up again with the new batch, so it'll be ready within the time that I need it, which is what the other girl did. Oh my god, it smells so freaking bad. Oh my god. I don't even want to put it in my hair, but I'm going to. Good thing it's quarantine, because yeah, I don't know how people do it like when they're going out. I guess that's why she puts the oil in it too. Oh, also, if you hear the noise in the back, it's just the washing machine, so I'm sorry about that. So I got oil that smells good. I'm using the Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil. It says coconut. It says mango and lime at the top, and then it says coconut at the bottom. I don't know, but it smells better than the rice water, so I'll be happy to use it. I put that section in half and I tied it around this bun. So this is a little piece that I'm starting with. I'm gonna start by brushing it out. And then the rice water, I'm gonna spray it on. Oh my god. Focusing on the root. Oh, I'm gonna brush it out and then put a little bit of this oil on the ends. And then I'm gonna braid it. And put a little rubber band on it. And I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair. Yeah, hopefully this works. Hi guys, it's now day 2 and I've decided that I'm just gonna wear the braids all week but then spray the stuff at the root like every day and like massage it in. Just so I don't have to keep doing my braids, undoing them, doing them, undoing them, like, you know? So yeah. Hi guys, day 3. So update on the rice water. It smells so bad. Like, I've never smelled anything like this. It smells like throw up and then bad breath like mixed together. It's like the worst smell ever you could ever smell in your life. Like, I'm gonna have to do this for like 4 more days. But actually, I haven't really, since I've only been putting it on my scalp, I will spray it out and then massage it in, but I have this much left. I think it's gonna last the next 4 days. So yeah, I'm not gonna make another batch, but I want to do it again. If this works, I want to do it again because I got a big bag of rice. But I know for next time that I need to put some oil in there, or like something, because like I have to spray down my body with perfume. Like, it smells so bad. Oh, and I forgot to mention this, but the rice I use is just regular organic jasmine rice. So yeah, I'll see you guys whenever. Hi guys. So the last time you saw me was probably, I think it was day 3 and it's now Monday. So it's still Monday today. I'm editing right now. Today was supposed to be my last day because I started on Tuesday last week. So yeah, for reference. I didn't last the whole week. I just couldn't do it because it smelled so bad. Like, next time I know to put like oil or like the orange pill thing that people do. But yeah, it was just so bad. I recommend you put some type of fragrance in it because I will be doing it again, but I don't really know if it worked. This is my hair, you know, Monday after 3 days of doing it. It's like right here, and I don't think it grew at all. Maybe a little that I can't tell, but my hair still looks the same length to me. So I will be doing this. I'll do it like every weekend, like before I washed it, because I read some things online that you can just leave it in 30 minutes after you wash your hair and then rinse it out and then condition it and stuff. So I'll probably do that. But yeah, this concludes my rice water video. Don't really know if it works yet. I guess I'll make a video updating after a month. I'll do that. So I hope you liked this video. I hope it was very informative to you guys. If you like this video and my other videos, please subscribe. And if you like this video, then put a thumbs up. Make sure you follow my other socials at Perris.s, Perris.s on TikTok and Instagram. And comment down below if you would try this rice water technique or not. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.